Urbanization transforms landscapes broadly. Natural habitats are increasingly fragmented. Biodiversity faces serious threats from urban sprawl. Water bodies are altered significantly in urban areas. Air quality often degrades due to industrial activity. Urban gardens are a response to these changes. Sustainable practices are being adopted by cities. Cities are increasingly focusing on green infrastructure. Ecological restoration projects are underway. The future of urban environments relies on harmonizing nature and development.